Hey guys, Brandon here today with Purchase Performance, doing a quick little tech tip video. Hopefully this will help some of you guys out in the future. If you've ever dealt with a junkyard LS motor, broken exhaust manifold bolts, kind of run rampant in the salvage yard. So we've got a little trick for getting them out. In this particular case, the majority of the bolt is flush with the cylinder head surface. So you can't really use an extractor. It's kind of got a funny shape to it, so it'd be a little difficult to drill, and I'm not so sure you'd be able to grind it really flat. So what we're going to do is we're going to build this tower up a little bit with some weld, and we're just going to put a clean nut on it, weld the nut to it, and back it out like a standard bolt. You can see right here, it's an example of one that I did a little bit earlier. This cylinder head had quite a few broken off on it. Let's go ahead and get to work. As you can see, we got a pretty good nub right there now. So we should be able to take a clean nut, just kind of set it right on top of that nub. When you're by yourself, it's a little difficult. Might help if you have somebody with a pair of vice grips or pliers hold that nut in place for you. Once you've got your nut welded in place, you want to let it cool down for a couple seconds. You don't want to just put the wrench on it and go boss hoss. There you go. Back it right out, nice clean threads. Didn't damage anything trying to drill it out. Walking the drill bit off-centered. No need for a helicoil. Nice simple little trick. Hope that helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.